name is Alessandra Jacobson, and I am the director of the Bridal Living Classroom, which is a branch of Telluride Institute's Watershed Education Program. Sandy, did you want an agenda for today? Through my experience with Telluride Institute, I've come to develop this in-depth experiential science course for high school students called the Bridal Living Classroom, and we're right here near base camp. What it is a dual-credited course that takes place over the summer, field experience for about 10 days. In July, students learn the basics of birding and plant identification and aquatic entomology. And this year, new to our program, we had a day all about impacts to Bridal Basin, mainly global climate change and devegetated areas.
I'm Maddie Crowell, and I'm with the Bridal Living Classroom. I go to Telluride High School, and my research project is on plant identification and the different methods of studying the biodiversity.
We also learned about tree identification, dendrochronology, and tree reproduction. And then the students take all of this knowledge that they've gathered from the first session, and we come up with individual research projects for each student. Each student will pick something that inspired them, something they found really interesting that they want to delve deeper into. And they developed each a hypothesis of their own and methodology and materials necessary for conducting a field-based experiment. So now in August we have students running all over the basin with mentors collecting their independent data for their research projects. So it's a really great program that's been enabled by Telluride Institute.
My name's Skylar Hollenbeck, and I'm from Norwood. It's great. I'm enjoying it. I'm having a great time. I've learned a lot about plants. I'm really interested in mushrooms and I've been studying them for a while. I got 2 plots, one at Bridal Falls and one at Lizard Head Pass area, and I'm hypothesizing that in this plot in the Bridal Falls area, there's going to be a less prolific mushroom fruition.
My name is Sandy Royer, and I'm from Norwood, Colorado. It's really fun because we're just doing so many things and you're learning so many things about an area that we're close to.
Yay! There's this right here.
And that I never thought about, or I never thought it existed, and it's just amazing to just learn all these new things and all the plants, and it's just great.
This year we have 3 participating high school students from Norwood, and then we also have 2 participants from Telluride High School. So this ties in with the Watershed Education Program in that we're offering it to schools within the watershed. But it's really great getting kids from different regions, which is new to the program this year. This year it seems like such a richer experience having kids from all over, and they all have something really unique and special to bring to the program.
I'm Sarah Carlson, and I go to school in Telluride, Colorado. I hypothesize that down here at 10,600 feet, there will be a greater biodiversity of aquatic insects than up at 12,000 feet. And that's because there is more canopy cover, more grasses touching the water and such. And that means there will be more detritus, which is dead organic matter for the aquatic insects to live on.
I'm Blake Englehart. I'm with Mountain Studies Institute from Silverton, and we're doing some lake sampling this summer, looking for general water quality, ecosystem health, and also specifically looking for mercury pollution. And today we're going to take the kids from Telluride Institute out on Silver Lake here, kind of show them what we do, and they're going to help us out.
My name is Darcy Craig. I'm the director of the Watershed Education Project through the Telluride Institute, and I'm also co-directing the Bridal Living Classroom with Alessandra Jacobson and Ashley Rieger. Since it is such an advanced and in-depth course, they receive dual credit. They receive their high school science credit, as well as they're getting 3 college credits from Mesa State this year, so it's accredited through a college, which is great. It just enhances, I think, the opportunity for the students and makes it more important, I think, and significant in the students' eyes that they're getting college credit for this.
Well, my name's Josie Griffith, and I go to Norwood High School. My project here at Bridal Living Classroom is on the American pica. My hypothesis is there's going to be a denser population at 12,300 feet due to there's a better habitat for them in the talus rather than down here at 9,000 feet because there's not a lot of talus here. Yeah, there's been studies on the American pica that kind of infer the role of global warming on picas, that they don't like the hotter climates, so they've been moving up in the elevation to find cooler temperatures. All this vegetation sitting out, they've gathered to create their hay piles so they'll have plenty of vegetation to eat in the winter.